Alright. Alright. Spy guy. Spy guy. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna stop worrying about it. I mean, it's not ideal, but it is what it is right now. Alright, let's pay attention. We got some news coming out in 30 minutes. So gonna wait for that on NQ. We've already swept out these lows while ES has been making this lower high. So we got some divergence between the two. Not crazy amount, but NQ is looking pretty bullish right here. We do have this imbalance right here. Are we going to respect it? Maybe, maybe not. And ES has been respecting this one. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that on NQ. Got 2 minutes till we close. Hello? That's good. I think it like disconnected us like right as you joined. Oh, wait. I swear I heard you. No. I want ES to start rejecting this and head lower to head higher. That's what I'm looking for. But we had NFP today and more news. So like, if I was on a real account, I probably wouldn't be trading it today. What's good, Eddie? Yeah, I'm with Colin today. Bro, but something happened to like my Streamlabs. It doesn't work anymore. Yeah, it's so bad. I don't I don't know if like your audio is going through on the stream. Uh, yeah, every Friday I just get chopped around, so I don't know how to change the audio to where you go through. It's just so annoying because like I don't know why, but my Streamlabs just stopped working. Like I can't stream through there. Streamlabs, it's like where you can record stuff on. So how you been? I mean, yeah, pretty much my days are the same day like every day. That wouldn't be a bad thing. Cause I feel like driving for Amazon would just be like I don't know fun. I like driving. They get what? Bro, if you're working for Amazon, you definitely get. I mean, I guess you're probably easy to replace. So I'm trying to figure out this audio. Tradeovate. I opened an account, but I still haven't figured it out. It's I don't know how to fix it. It is what it is. But NQ is looking pretty bullish right now. But I'm waiting for at least 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock your time. 15 minutes. Forex Factory. Is that what you're talking about? Do you? Yeah. What do you use now? Okay. Yeah. I think that's what Chicago Chris uses. Yeah. Like actually, not really recently. Say with that Mike guy. That Mike guy like ghosted me. He went on a trip. Yeah. But that's all right because like I don't know. He has like a different system, and I'm like I don't know. But bro, I've been starting to run every day, and it's been I've felt a lot better about myself now. I run like at least 3 miles a day. I just go for like 10-minute miles. It's pretty easy. Well, I wouldn't say easy. It's actually like kind of hard. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like, I remember one time, like freshman year, I was playing soccer, and I ran like a 6:30 mile, and I don't think I've like never done that before, and I wanted to cry. Yeah, but I'm debating joining hit Justin's Discord. Yeah, and he also like I think every night they do like a charting session too. But he posts most of them on YouTube, and like I've just been like watching those, and like I've been able to learn like just so much within like what 2 days, and then I wouldn't live stream, so like I wouldn't live stream myself, and then like I would come back 2 or 3 months later, just like totally different. Like yeah, I'd be spending $70 a month on a Discord, but like if I'm actually getting something out of it, then I think that's important. Yeah, there's also that. Like if you're just in like a Discord, just like take their trades. You're not really learning anything. That's why like I would be opposed to it because like really are you learning that much? Like you're gonna learn the most on your own and making those mistakes on your own. Yeah, it's nice to have someone like walk you through what they've done. Well, NQ and ES move like pretty relative, and uh, if you know what an SMT divergence is, it's like it's kind of it's a complicated. It's not like that complicated, but it like involves using ES and NQ. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. No, it's like it's a certain like thing you're looking. It would be like an order block or something like that. So, uh, I would think so, but the only thing I don't like about them is that, or I kind of feel this way. It's kind of a bad attitude to have, but I think like if everyone's learning it and if everyone's trying to apply it, then I don't think they'll be as effective in the market. You know, it seems like everyone trades it. There's a lot of traders on social media that push him out. And obviously ICT himself. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. And like no like retail trader is going to be able to move the market. Like that's not possible. So there's also that. To me, right now we're just looking indecisive. I want to see us take out these. I don't know what it looks like on Spy. You're watching Spy. I'm watching. Yeah, I want to see it take out like pre-market lows. Yeah, bro, Luca, this week has been not an ideal week to trade at all. Like I've been saying that. Like this week it is not ideal at all just cuz like all the news we have and just like where we're at within the market. Like we're pretty much all-time highs. And like for me, yeah, yesterday I if you saw like I missed the setup. Just cuz like that move that we had at 850. Like I literally just got off my charts. Yeah. I feel like we're definitely brewing something up for 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm looking to see if we can sweep these lows and then on like these higher time frames, like the hourly on ES, there's the hourly fair value gap I want us to tap into. And then rally higher. But yeah. Bro, my chest is so sore. Uh I can't even I did like 10 bench sets or like it was crazy. I just went and then I dropped the weight and then I did till I did like 3 sets until I couldn't and then I dropped the weight again. I'm gonna start doing that from now on because my chest, like my bench numbers literally don't go up. So that means I'm doing something wrong. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir, Soma. Up 1400. That's crazy. Yeah, Luca, we do have a. I haven't like studied SMT divergences that well, but from my understanding, this is an SMT divergence. on ESNNQ. Yeah, we swept this on NQ. I'm looking for this to get filled, then cause a reaction on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I think like I don't really like arch my back. For me, I don't even know how to do that. Because like if you arch your back, you're able to use your back more. You're able to lift more. My numbers for bench started to go up when I started pausing. Got 225 for 5 is insane. I would say 8 to 10 sets in total. Prioritize incline bench more than flat, but do 5-ish heavy sets and then some light squeeze sets. Okay, I see. Yeah, if we cause a reaction off this is a short setup right here on NQ. You only do 5 sets in total. Well, I mean, 8 to 10 sets. I don't know. I'm confused. If you're talking like 8 to 10 sets like per exercise, that's insane. Yeah. Yeah, you know Sam Solik? That guy's like insane. Yeah, I'm entering here. I'm not like actually because I don't know. I can't figure out trade debate, but yeah, I'm in here. Dude, bro, not having a spotter on bench is like the scariest thing ever. Cause I normally don't have a spotter. Yeah, but then some sets like I know I could probably do one more, but I'm not risking it. But then when you do risk it, like you have to get it up. I know. I guess I would like to see a break out of it to have a better entry. Because we very well could just blow through this. Dude, I haven't. Nvidia is insane. Like, bro. So I started reading this book. It's called "I Will Teach You How to Be Rich," and like it's actually probably one of the best books I've read. Yeah, it's I'm like a third of the way through it. It's pretty much just like a personal finance book, but like the stuff he's saying and like the stuff like he tells you to do. Like I opened up like a different savings account because like I use Wells Fargo, or I have used Wells Fargo just because like that my mom used to work there and I don't know why, but I just now switched. I have a new savings account. Do you have like any investments like for the future? Obviously, you probably do. Because like I would definitely recommend just like having like reoccurring investments that you like don't even see or that like just come out of your paycheck. So I have a Roth IRA that I've maxed out because I made a mistake when I first opened it. There was an option for me to put money in for 2022, and I put in like $20 just because like I thought that I don't know. I was just I didn't know what it was at all. So I put $20 in there, and then that that money it like locked in that money, so I couldn't add any more to the 2022 because it was 2023. I don't know if this is making any sense, but pretty much like yeah, you can only contribute 7,000 a year, and I contributed $20 for that 2022 year when I had more I could put in there. Well, that I wanted to, but I didn't realize it would have locked me like that. So, but I think it's because I did that in 2023. But I don't know why I had the option for me to put money in when it was for 2022. It's complicated. Yeah. So for 2022, I could have put I think 6,500, but I didn't know what it was exactly. So I I put $20 in just trying to like test it out, you know. It and then it like pretty much locked that money in, so I couldn't put any more towards that 6,500. Yeah. I accidentally like deleted the yes. Yeah, I have. So I've just been like trying to set that up. So I'm like blessed that my uncle is a financial advisor, and so he has set up an account for me that like I haven't even looked at. I don't even know like I think he's contributed like just a little money into it, and then the rest is like from like other things. It was all my uncle set up. I have that account, and then when I first started working like my 80 hours a week, or like I would say like 60 hours a week, it wasn't like that crazy. I I pretty much just put like my paychecks into SM. I put my paychecks into Spy. Yeah, and then I timed the market like completely well to where like I bought like in December 2023, and then I just kept on putting money in, and gradually like I just timed it right. Yeah. Yeah, this could also be a. I think like I just don't like how we haven't like really swept any liquidity yet on ES. NQ we kind of swept these highs, and now this is when we're going. That entry I had would have been valid. Enter right here. Stop above here. Take profit. You can go off right here. This is that inverse fair value gap, and then at these lows too. Bro, it's so annoying. Like on Tradeovate, I can't access it on my computer because my clock's out of sync. There's some weird stuff going on with my computer right now. It's annoying. Yeah, did it say that for you? You said that like it applied to you. You said it like who cares, bro? It's my clock. Yeah, the data's like I think $3 a month. I'm not sure, but I don't know. There's all I gotta look into it, but I think you might have to pay like 15 a month. We're kind of holding up on this inverse fair value gap right here. We get rid of this on the 5-minute on ES. I guess I don't really know where we're heading towards. I want to see us sweep something before I actually enter. I still need to find a better way to like transfer my YouTube videos from my camera. What are your thoughts on Apple? Like I'm talking long term because that's a long term investment I really believe in is Apple. All right, cool. That's what I think too. Like yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah. The only reason why I believe in Apple is like I personally have an Apple phone. I bet you probably do an iPhone. And I like there's no way they're just gonna go out of style. Bro, I see I just can't like get behind crypto. I mean, I just don't know much about it. Like for me, I'd rather have money in like a company that I use every day and a company that I know will continue to perform. Yeah. I don't know. I actually did really like Tesla at one point, and I actually had like quite a amount of money in Tesla, but then I sold it because like I don't know. For me, it was just a Cybertruck. Like I don't know what they're trying to do with that. Like that shit looks ugly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Netflix is like $500. I I think I think they're adding like live stocks or not live sports. I don't know why I said livestock. Yeah, yeah. I don't. Yeah, telling you, Fridays, Fridays. I think like definitely in the future, and definitely like going forward. I'm not either. I'm de-risking on Fridays or just taking Fridays off because I don't know what it is for me personally. I can never find it. Like all my trades on Friday are just chop, chop, chop. What's good, Slaw Bunnies? But yeah, the possible short on NQ off of that is what I was looking at. But for me, I just need to see something get swept. Because like the market's always, well, from my understanding, the market's always moving to find liquidity, and that's really how it moves. It moves like from liquidity to liquidity. Like we're constantly taking out highs. We're constantly trying to stop people out. And for me right now, I don't understand or I'm not able to see like where we're gonna go next. Like where are we trying to stop people out next? And until I can see where we're going right now, that's when I can try to best determine and best find the next draw on liquidity. Yeah, pretty much. And for me, like the next draw on liquidity on Nasdaq is are these highs up here. Like f- for me, we had this big sell off, and then we swept these two equal lows that we had here, and kind of came within this imbalance right here. And now we start going higher. I think we're going to draw towards this, but I'm not for certain right now. Like I want to see something else other than just this chop. But yeah, like anytime you have like lows, that's where a lot of people set their stop losses below. So a lot of people are going to be out of the market at that point. So it's often where price reverses. And also where people look to buy or sell. I don't know. I'm probably not the best explainer at it, just because like I don't have that much experience. Yeah, we're kind of bouncing off VSwap though, like perfectly, and that's what makes you or on Nasdaq. That's what makes you think that we're gonna hunt out these highs up here. Yeah, kind of now. Well, bro, I'm actually like kind of disappointed in myself that I took that trade on FOMC. Yeah, yeah. I kind of got greedy. Like I see this big opportunity. I'm pretty confident that we will draw to these lows, and I'm pretty confident that that's where we want to go. And I was like, we're going to average into this position. We're not going to just full on. Um, we're going to play this smart. So I entered, and then I got a great entry on that. We start selling off, and then I enter, and then I really like, I just really like the position, and then I entered in a little bit more, and then kind of going into FOMC, I was like, my position's up. I'm up on this position. I'm going to have a stop loss, and then I'm going to have a take profit. If one of those gets hit, that's okay. At that point, my stop loss was pretty much break even, so I totally accepted the risk I had on the table, and I totally accepted that. So I'm like, if we hit our stop loss, we hit our stop loss. If we hit our take profit, we hit our take profit. And then I think I actually got filled like right before that huge move to the downside. So it was kind of that tiny move I got filled instead of the huge move. But if you're looking at SPY on FOMC, do you see that big candle to the upside? And then the huge sell off? Like I would have got stopped out of my position if I didn't get filled before. Yeah. Yeah. And then I ended up and it did feel nice, but like for me, I was just like totally accepting the risk I had out there, and I was just really convinced that we would go to that. It was like I want to say like $800 or $900, and I ended up making. No, it was like 12 days out because I originally bought it because I'm like I know FOMC is today, and with that, market's going to be more volatile going into 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, wherever. And I'm thinking, this is exactly what I'm looking for. This is exactly what I think is going to happen. We're going to have a big move that's going to sweep out all of these lows. And I made like, I think 70%. Because I added to the position. So I think like 40% on one of them and then like 60% on my initial position. Looking at Apple. Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about. Bro, for me, like I don't like the pre-market candles. Like for me, at least like when I see them, like it's hard for me to read those. Yeah, for me on ES, I think we could get a reversal once we sweep this high. But I'm not loving this. But I'm not gonna do what I did yesterday and just like hop off the charts after I didn't like the first initial move, first hour move. Like I was mad. I was mad. Well, I hopped off the charts and then I just like was watching some YouTube videos. So it's not like I was just like doing nothing. So it's okay. But you just liked where we were at. Lately, I've been in my bag. Been in my bag. Yeah, we just swept ties on. Oh yeah, this is definitely potential short setup. Yeah, I'm waiting for price action to build itself here on ES. But NQ like, hmm, I don't like how NQ looks, bro. Like, lately I've been in my bag. I've been in my bag. Yeah, been in my bag. Been in my bag. Yeah. Dude, recently I've been so locked in. Like the Instagram's been going crazy. I have like so many DMs and like, bro, like at over like 30 that I haven't responded to. And like it's just so it's like they're all like positive too. Yeah, dude. I'm not going to, unless if I find a short setup here. I don't want to trade today. Like what I preach is just consistency. Like if you want to get good at anything, if you're gonna get good at anything, you just have to be consistent with it. Yeah. Uh-huh. And then it is hard to do that on the days when you don't want to do it. You don't want to. Mm, just with how NQ's looking and just that we never like swept this high. up here. Like that's what's making me like not as confident in this setup. Oh, there's not even a setup on ES, but we potentially could get one. I'm just now seeing that like big powered by StreamYard. StreamYard, like look in the top right of my stream. Because the Russell's still red and staying red, watch for the short move. I would give it another hour at least to keep red. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think we're gonna go lower, and right now just that big candle is telling me that we're not big, but like relatively, I think we're going to make a reaction off of this. Like imagine where you're gonna be at in a year from now. Bro, I'm probably gonna be moving soon. Yeah, yeah, and with my dad and his girlfriend. Hell no, dude. How about them queefs? Yeah. Honestly, like as much as it hates me to say this, like there's something about the Chiefs that like I don't necessarily hate about them. I like McDuffie. Didn't I say though from the start? I think they're going to beat the Niners. Oh, I bet. Yeah, I love Lamar. See the crew with me right now. I don't see the fact of how that 1 minute candle just closed. I don't like at all. Is there? Are you still on demo? Yes, sir. I'm thinking about going on a live account in April or yeah, or April or honestly even like just sometime soon. Because like even if I am on a live account, thinking about it, I'm not really risking much. But there's not really a need for me to risk a whole lot. Because my attitude towards trading is like I was thinking in terms of like my daily loss was like $125. That's kind of a lot. And like I need to be thinking in terms of like $20, $30. Because if I have that daily loss at $30 compared to $125, I'm able to trade so many more days and I'm able to like take so many more trades. Yeah. I don't like this trade anymore. Crew with me right now. Bro, like I don't know what it is about Fridays. But it seems like every Friday is just like not pretty. Yeah, bro, definitely in the future I'm putting on like half size on Fridays. See the crew with me right now. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. We just swept ties on NQ. So okay. So I guess our draw was this Low key all time highs on NQ. ES is a little bit lower, like in this move, but NQ is like pretty much already cleared that. But I wanted us to go lower before we went higher, but then we kind of just went higher and higher. I want to see at least some manipulation. But I guess we'll wait. Do you think I should join a Discord just for like 2 months? Yeah. Because it is $70 a month. Yeah. Use it on. That's what I'm saying. Oh no, I'll I probably won't for now because I feel like there is a lot of information for free. Yeah, we just came out, slept that high. Now this is where I'm looking for a short. Wait, is that all time highs? No, it's not. I thought that was all time highs. Silly me. All I'm saying is I wanted us to head lower before we went higher. Yeah. Ah! You never do that? Do you think it was like a goat? uh, so coming up pause. Okay. So there's either like three possibilities here. Either we get some sort of sell off here, retracement. We continue going for an uptrend, today, or we consolidate. Yeah, I think I think we're gonna they do, bro. Look, yeah, I'm very short biased now that came up, kind of swept that pre-market high. Yeah, thank God. Said thank God, or gosh, sorry. Oh my, what a wonderful time. It's been a minute since I met you outside. What? Uh, August 20, August something, I don't know. Bro, like he literally had an announcement date and everything for it, like September. And you tell me you're going to drop in what, August now? Like if that's mid, that would probably be like the worst. All right. Maybe it goes. Let me see what the higher time frames are telling me. Yeah, we have this order block right here too. Yep. I'm waiting for us to reject off this 1 minute fair value gap, and then I'll enter. If we do. If we don't, then I wouldn't. I would enter in off that break. Rejection. Stop above these highs. Take profit here, 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 and then maybe another one down there. Let me see if I can even log on to that trade of 8. You're like, bro, what is that? Your clock is out of sync? It lets me sign in on my phone though, which is we've just been doing business with the apps. Yeah, if we get a reaction right here. Wow. Mm. Got about 8 seconds for this kind of close. And it's not closing how I want it to. Damn. I'll be right back. I feel like I've already asked you this, but what's your favorite fruit? Yes, sir. Strawberry gang. Yep. Strawberry. Dates? Bro, I've honestly never had a date. It must be like a. Do they sell them at your grocery store? Maybe. I need to see what it looks like. Because like I don't know. I'm. Bro, it's like a. Do they? Do they taste like raisins? Because bro, I used to be a raisin fanatic. That's how I used to love pickles. Like love pickles. Mainly because my mom did, and like we would have like pickles, and like I would just casually eat a pickle. But like I don't like hate them, but there's just something about them I just can't eat them because I used to get like hella canker sores, like sores in my mouth. Yeah. I feel like bananas, honestly, with me, say I get like a bundle, you know? For me, like the goal is to eat all of them before they go bad. But then I feel like I'm having too many bananas. And then like, because like I'm the only one that's gonna eat them. And then I just get like, I'm eating too many bananas, and then I get like tired of them. That's how I feel. Aren't they supposed to do the opposite? I don't know. I can't really tell. But we're getting some cell pressure sipping up. I thought you said you had a tight stop. All right, I see. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah. Honestly, bro, I think that you just like you should like stick with your job and just swing trade. Yeah, especially when you like market could really open anywhere. I mean, I'm not very educated on swing trading, so like I can really tell you, but especially if you're swing trading options. Did you see Meta? I think I haven't really looked into it, but I think they're starting to pay dividends now. So I think that's what caused. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what caused it. Mm-mm-mm. We keep on blowing past these and breaking above these fair value gaps. Like I don't like this. Look at the 5 minute. Right now we're accumulating, and then we're going to manipulate, and then we're going to distribute. Usually, like to fake people out, pretending like we're going to go higher, we're going to go lower, and then you end up getting some sort of like liquidity grab, whatever, and then that's when you start to reverse. Yeah. Damn, bro. We ain't talking like a week straight. Bro, that's crazy. On one of my videos, like someone like said stop talking, and then there's like 4 comments under it, and they're all like roasting the guy. See, I honestly could care less. Yeah, it's so easy to do. I mean, like I try not to hate on like even like hating on like the Chiefs or like I hate Michigan. I hate Michigan though. I hate Michigan football. Like I hate it. Like the book I read by Jordan Peterson is like he's talking about like people are they'll tie themselves to a team without never being on it. It's like wait, bro. Meta went 20%. I didn't realize it was 20%. That's insane. Bro, just like look at it though. Like Do you know much about Meta? Because that's pretty much like all I didn't even know they owned. Because if you're buying that, like social media, I guess. Yeah, me too. Mm. All right, now we're manipulating. Oh my god, you got ran through the roof. See, Apple. What happened to Apple Thursday? Or that was yesterday aftermarket. That's like that's a crazy move. Apple Vision Pro headset officially launched. The mix of the headset. Oh, they came out with like pretty much VR. What are they the ones that isn't Oculus like a separate brand? Oh, okay. I thought you said Meta had Oculus. I'm talking about Apple. They created. They came out with the Apple Vision Pro is what it's called. Oh yeah, and also I forgot to mention like like I love the Apple AirPods Max, like the big over ear ones that I have on right now. I totally forgot. And like AirPods, like I think they're just gonna keep on killing it and just be like mainstream. It's like a week straight. I don't know, bro. We gotta be brewing up something here. Talk to me, Ness. We don't talk at all. I don't know. I feel like I don't like how in the Discord, like I literally don't say anything. Like, it doesn't feel like it's my Discord, but like it is what it is. I also might get rid of talk to Adolf and say, but I don't know if I want to have binary trading in here. Because for me, that it feels too much like gambling. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, Eddie, they shoot dice in our Discord. Bro, do you know it's Black History Month? No, it's Black History Month. Oof. Maybe not in Missouri. I guess. That's the most. Yeah, it actually is. Never. It says that. Bro, who the hell wrote that? Yeah. I would personally love Price to go back here. This would be my target. What? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I used to be a big Juice WRLD fan. Only his first album, and then after that, like I didn't like any of it. And then he died. Drugs. Well, part of it, like if you are depressed, like that's the type of shit you want to hear. I feel like, which is only making shit worse. Hey, patience is going to pay today. The I just don't like how today was NFP, like that. Bologna. For me, the entry, like the only possible entry I saw wasn't even entry. We tapped in this order block, 5 minute order block, and then inverse fair value gap, bounce, boom, take profit up here, and then maybe up here. But for me, I didn't see that. I didn't see any conviction. I didn't like how we had NFP. But day's not over yet. God damn it. God damn it, Danny. Not anymore. I don't really. I only watch like trading YouTubers now, and just like to learn information. But yeah, my favorite YouTuber is probably, I don't even know. Yeah. For me, bro, like I would say set trades. Thanks. Thank you. Let me see. Favorite YouTuber. Bro, you know who I love? Your Rage. Do you know who that is? Your Rage? Oh my god. No, he's like uh Twitch streamer. Like your, and then rage. Do you know who Kai Cenat is? He's kind of like in that like niche, I guess you could say, but he's like kind of different. And then I used to watch 2K streamers. Like I'm sure you know who Aiden Ross is. Yeah, that's how he started. And then he like did a stream with Bronny. Cause bro, back in my days when I used to, bro, could you not? I used to like play 2K like all night while watching like a stream. Imagine I was like doing that shit on the charts. Yeah. We just all time high now. All time high. I don't know about right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is exactly when I hop off the charts. That's not the right attitude to have, but especially today, bro. We had NFP. NFP, high impact news. You don't want to trade then. And we've just now made a new all time high. Like I know there is a possible setup. There is a possible setup that we could have and that we could take. But for me, bro, it's just not high probability. And why would I want to trade that? Even if I'm on a demo account, why would I want to enforce those bad habits? Like, yeah, you can short this market just to short the market, but like, bro, for me and how I like to trade, like that shit just ain't worth it. Like, bro, so what if we do get like a big sell off? Like, I do like how all these lows haven't really been touched. Like, all this right here that you see. Like for me, this is a low resistance liquidity run. And like, yeah, we could go short, take out this. But I feel like a lot of people just try to short the market, especially like if we're in all time highs, just to short it. Like, do you remember that one guy in the Discord that was like, I'm in a swing on Spy. That dude got smacked. I can guarantee you. I don't know where he entered. It was like it would have been a Friday. Was it last Friday? I mean, maybe he did hold it. And then the NFP or FOMC, he could have got paid. All right. Do you watch any podcasts or listen? What's his name? Andy Frisella. No. I don't see First Farm. Bro, it's okay. I hate this. Let me see. I have to like reshare a new tab. No, we will. Do you see it now? That's probably delayed. It's definitely targeted, bro. To St. Louis. Is it with PHORM? Yeah, it definitely has targeting, bro. Like, do you get First Form? Okay. But you use First Form protein powder? Yeah, these ads are targeted for sure. So like, cause I use Gold Standard Whey, and then like I have Ghost cookies and cream too. Yeah. Well, I've only had it with like my. I did French toast with it, and then I had. You know the creamy I've been telling you about, where I've said creamy. I make like recipes with that, and it's so good. I think it's solid. I know. I love Oreos, so like the smell of it though isn't anything like good. Have you ever had like a Oreo protein bar, cookies and cream protein bar? That's pretty much what it is, which makes sense because it's just protein powder. Show me something nice. Show me something nice. Look how clean this move is though, like on spy. Like straight moves to the upside. Like someone put a trend line on that. Do you think I should go to college? Yeah. Cause like I'm not opposed to going to college. But I don't know, bro. I Yeah. And then like obviously I'll be streaming too. Like once that gains some traction, like I'll have I'll be able to make some money off of YouTube and I'll also be posting, so I'll be making some money off YouTube. But like I don't know. It's just like scary. It's scary for me right now. Cause I'm just like not making any money. Yeah. But then what does that also mean? I won't be able to put as much time and effort into it. I might get tired more, I might get more burnt out. For me now, I put as much as this pretty much my whole day. Granted, I do other things. I read, go to the gym, and then I'll spend time with my family. Things like that. But like if I have another job that takes away 40 hours, or let's just say like 20, let's just say 10. Yeah. And it's also different, like especially if you're having to pay for your own rent and you're having to have all these other expenses that I don't have personally right now, then 100%. Like, don't quit your job. But like the only expenses I really have is like gas, and then like I'll buy books. Then what else am I trying to think? Like maybe occasional like getting food. Do you go to Costco? Like yeah, I kind of see what you're saying. What do you? Yeah, bro. I've been trying. I've been trying to like DoorDash. And like especially where I live, bro. Like that shit. Like especially right now. Like I just feel like there's so many like dashers that like you can't even find any orders. Yeah. Yeah, bro. For me, just I don't really like fading the trend, and especially with the strategy I use. Like we have to sweep some form of liquidity and then make a reversal off of that in order for me to like fade the trend that we're in. And right now we did none of that. So I'm thinking about hopping off. Cause like if we do sell off here, like one, there's no reason for me to be in that trade. Two, it's kind of enforcing bad habits. And then three, like okay, I missed the trade entry. Like yesterday was a mistake. Yesterday was me messing up. Yesterday was me giving up on the market. Like I still had long bias. And then coming into the market, I wanted to see us head lower before we made this move. But we pretty much made an explosive move at open. And we had NFP, so how long have Hey, we hit 500 subscribers. Yeah, bro, think about it. Like by the end of the year, my goal. I mean, I don't like to have a goal based on subscribers because, like, really, this whole channel is kind of for myself, and I feel like that's what kind of like makes it like worth. Because like I'm not putting out any. I'm not trading live for views or for like other people. Yeah, I'm not making those videos for other people. Like I'm making those generally for myself. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, but I'm going to I don't know, I might go running right now. But yeah, I'm hopping off. Yeah, even if it does, like I'm totally okay with that. Cause like I mean we're in all time highs. We don't have much structure to base off of. For me, like this isn't high probability. Yeah, I'm heading out right now. Yeah, have a good one. Bye. Yeah, I'm heading out right now. I hope you all have a great day. We'll be back at it. Let me Monday for sure. Like, okay, this week was only not the greatest week. Monday, bro. Monday would have been like the best opportunity for me to trade, but what did I have happen? I had to go to the doctor. Tuesday could have been an okay day. Wednesday, FOMC, nope. Thursday, all this news. Friday, NFP, all time highs. Like, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be in positions. But next week does look a lot better. And the good thing is, next month really looks like very clean to me. We do have a holiday on Monday. This day, no, not Monday. Is it this one? This Monday, the 19th, President's Day. That day, I'll probably be live. Probably do like some back testing session, charting session, whatever session, smoke session, chill session. But yeah, I'll be back. I will be back Monday. Hopefully my Streamlabs works. I like this StreamYard shit is getting kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Like you got to do what you got to do.